Hi guys, I am Rafis. I am going to explain about my final year research project. This my research title is Implementation of Prevention Alert Algorithm to Prevent Cyber Attacks and Minimize the Damage in Computer Networks. My supervisor is Mr. R.L. Dangalla. These are the contents: introduction, methodology, observations and results, discussion, conclusion, future work, reference. Introduction: with the tremendous growth of network-based services and sensitive information on networks, network security is getting more important than ever. That means nowadays uh, the companies using computer networks to share their data and works. They are working through this computer network. So the computer network security is very important thing. The network must have an efficient security system. So intrusion poses a serious security risk in a network environment. That means the intrusion, other attackers coming into our network and they blocking our services and our work. They through this intrusion they threatening to our companies and steal our data and intellectual properties. That's why we need the network security. The growing new intrusion types poses a serious problem for their detection. This research elaborates on two areas of detection and prevention of cyber attacks and in computer networks. So my research going to detect and uh, prevent from those attacks. The ways it approaches to achieve the solutions are port security configuration with ICMP protocol configuration on networks on both switches and routers, and other part is development of a intrusion detection system. That means the intrusion detection system will detect the attacks which was in our network traffic, which the network traffic how attacked by the attackers who going to attack uh, our network. These things are going to detect by the detect intrusion detection system. So next is into literature review. Areas these areas are studied by me for develop this intrusion detection system and that protocol protocol configurations. This is methodology. In this project, we made two phases to prevent and detect the network attacks. That means my research have two main phases. One phase is prevent part. Next phase is detect part. Detect part means uh, how the attackers going to attack our data and who are going to attack. So who attacks me? Who attacks our through into our network? These things are detected by our intrusion detection system. So this is the detection part, and prevention part means we are going to block or we are going to block the attackers and prevent from the attackers our network. Okay. The phase one is port security configuration and ICMP protocol configuration on network devices such as switches and routers. Second phase is desktop application, and we apply one of the most efficient data mining algorithm called name-based for develop anomaly-based network intrusion detection system. First is results of the port security and ICMP protocol configuration. This is our basic network. This network have two departments, department A and B. Uh, Department A connect with switch 0, and department B connect with switch 1. Both department connect with router 0. This router will connect to the service provider. Here I mentioned two laptops. One is on department A. Second one is on department B. This laptop is the attacker's laptop. The attacker going to attack our network through this laptop. Okay. The department A and department B similarly have 5 ports to access these 5 client computers. Rest of the ports are shut down by the admin, so we can connect with other ports. Only connect with these ports. Uh, the if the PC or computers, if the PC or computers have access our network, uh, this is the results for that things. So we send the data from PC4 to PC1. That means here I mentioned ping 190.168.113.1. This IP address defined for PC0. PC4 is here. So we are sending data from PC4 to through the switch and PC0. So these client computers have access to our network. So we can send the data through these 5 computers and these 5 computers. So when we send from PC4 to PC0 or PC1 or PC2, PC3, these can receive the data and they can send back to the PC4 each other. So that is here. When we sending data packets from PC4 to PC0, they receive those data packets. Here I mentioned, here see the results. Sent 4 packets and receive 4 packets. Lost packet is 0. 0% lost. Uh, Similarly, from the PC4 to PC1. Here, this is the PC1. Look at the IP address. Okay, PC1 also receive the data. Similarly, other PCs will receive the data from PC4. Here, see the connection to the laptop. It's red, means the red means it is not connected because these 5 ports only open, other ports are shut down by the admin through the port security configuration. So the laptop can't connect rest of the ports. Similarly, this department B also. Uh, Next is laptop is connected to the uh, this port. This port will connect to laptop because of the port is on. These five ports are on. That's why this showing the green signal. Green signal means this is connected, but he can't enter into network. That means he can't send or receive message from other computers to this laptop. Similarly, this side also, but this side not connected. Uh, See this is the result. When we send the data from laptop 1 to PC 0, it is not connect receive the data. Here send 4 packets, but receive 0 packets. all 4 packets are lost. That means 100% lost. And see these things also. We send from laptop 1 to PC 1. That means this PC. This PC also can't receive the data. This is results of naive-based intrusion system. This is the interface of the intrusion detection system. First, browsing the data set. That means data traffic. Here, when we extract the data, browse the data, these are the data types. Next is when we browse the data set and click the next button. When we click the next button, the pre-processing part will open. So the pre-processing part means order whole data to classify it if it is normal or anomal. Now this preprocessed data, when preprocessed finished, we click the next button, and this is naive-based part. This part is going to classify the data, our data set. When we click the naive-based button, it will show the classified data results. Here, see the result. Normal is 0.5, anomaly data is 0.44. So this is attacked by the attacker to 0.44. Here is the overall result. Has correctly classified instance to 201. That's 94%, 94.3%. Incorrectly classified instance 12%. Here A is normal normal instance. This is anomaly instance. B is anomaly instance. Discussion. We done port security configuration on network devices such as switches and routers to protect the network attacks and block the unauthorized access to our network. We have developed a intrusion detection system based on naive-based algorithm. The ideas build the patterns of the network traffic over data packets labeled by the traffic. With the built IDS system, detects attacks in the network traffic using the naive-based classifier. Conclusion. The port security configuration protecting the network port and deny the unauthorized access to the network. The ICME protocol configuration allows to transfer the data packets with a secure way. The IDS system classifies the network traffic packets as anomaly or normal data packets by using naive-based algorithm classification. Features. The intrusion detection system is manual system, which was developed by me. In future, I am going to develop a automated. In future, when we doing transactions or transfer the data into our network, those traffics directly extracting to our system. So I am going to develop these kind of things in future. And next is we configure port security only for the Cisco devices. So in future, uh, we are going to configure all of the network device, all brands references. These are the references, and Thank you. That's all.